Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Taekyun Kim, responsible for Kia Next Design. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you our new Kia Syros. Let's take a look at the side of the Syros, where its unique features really stand out. The authentic upright silhouette and the bold Diero graphic, which is interrupted by the body color B-pillar, emphasizes the robust nature of an SUV together with its characteristic appearance. Additionally, the straight vertical edges mark the transition of the fender volumes into the body side, emphasizing the vehicle's wide stance with its strong shoulders. The geometric squared wheel arch claddings further highlights the SUV character. When we look at the cabin, the second row headroom is cleverly accommodated through the roof design that seamlessly forms the rear spoiler, resulting in a generous space. The influence of Kia's design philosophy opposites united is evident here, marked by the contrast of the bold three-dimensional fender shape to the clean and simple volume of the body side. The headlights that are connected to the wheel arch cladding reinforce the unique look of the Syros, and their outward position emphasizes the visual width of the vehicle. The tiger nose features in the front is finished with a slim black garnish that runs off the hood shut line, and the hood has a thick, solid volume that enhances the appearance of a powerful SUV, being supported by the technical-looking skid plate in the lower bumper. At the rear of the vehicle, the Kia Syros has a simple and clear statement. Its robust body section, punctuated with the broad shoulders, characterizes its stable and capable stance. The tail lamp design, located on the rear glass, along with the function lamps that extend out from the wheel arch cladding, harmonizes with the design of the front and bring fresh and unexpected design quality. The clean, uninterrupted surface that runs across the rear of the vehicle from fender to fender emphasizes the simplicity and visual width of the Syros, while also expressing a modern and sophisticated image. The Syros wheel designs showcase a distinctive presence with the unique bright finish graphics. By utilizing geometric body design elements, impactful yet harmonious designs were achieved as it is completing the overall image of Kia's new SUV. The interior of Syros is spacious and creative, designed to offer customers clever storage solutions and a user experience that is focused on providing a flexible space that can be filled according to users' wishes and lifestyles. It's a useful space where users can enjoy various active elements and provides optimal usability through extensive flexibility to match their varied needs. The hollow section of the dashboard gives a relaxed sense of space and provides scalable usability. Additionally, the ambient lighting lines the interior's main features and creates a unified lighting atmosphere, as well as highlights the Syros interior's unique character. The wide horizontal screen provides a premium and high-tech impression that has not been seen in compact SUVs in India before. The dynamic door cut character in the interior embodies the Kia design philosophy opposites united, bringing together contrasting colors and materials through this unique and unexpected feature. The new Kia Syros also provides a console layout that is optimized for automatic shift operation, with a styled gear knob emerging out of a luxurious high console design, while wireless charging and withdrawing cup holders offer added convenience and multi-purpose storage. 2 bottles can be stored in the front door pockets, along with an additional third bottle or a small foldable umbrella. And the last but not least, The Syros seats are designed to offer maximum space and comfort in its segment.
It embodies 4 pillars of customer expectation in today's automotive market. Number 1, connectivity. That makes it future-ready with over-the-air updates that provide software enhancements automatically. Number 2, lounge-inspired interiors that maximize space and provide unparalleled adaptability. Number 3, uncompromising safety with robust structure and cutting-edge systems for all-round protection. Last but not least, high-tech innovations that provide convenience and comfort. Allow me to elaborate on each of these pillars and how Syros sets a new benchmark in the industry. Syros comes with the first in segment over-the-air software updates with automatic updating of 22 controllers. Yes, 22 controllers. These over-the-air updates keep your vehicle equipped with the latest software improvements. The ability to deliver enhancements over the air seamlessly improves vehicle handling and responsiveness, contributing to a smoother and hassle-free driving experience. Kia's commitment to innovation is further reflected in the Kia Connect diagnostic service, allowing customers to get their vehicles checked remotely and receive follow-up services without needing to visit the service center, offering unparalleled convenience and cost efficiency. Kia Connect 2.0 integrates safety with connectivity, offering SOS emergency support, real-time diagnostics, and vehicle tracking, transforming safety into an essential driving standard. Despite being a sub-4-meter SUV, Syros delivers the interior spaciousness of a mid-SUV. Its luxurious interiors redefine comfort with features like first-in-segment rear sliding and reclining seats, which enables enhanced legroom with adjustable boot space. Ventilated seats for both rows are first in the segment, perfect for India's diverse climate. 60/40 split folding seats, offering unmatched flexibility for wearing needs. Panoramic sunroof, as large as those in mid-SUVs, flooding the cabin with natural light and creating a serene ambience. Syros adapts seamlessly, whether for city commuting or long road trips, delivering an experience that makes every journey as enjoyable as the destination. Safety is a cornerstone of Kia's philosophy, and Syros reflects this commitment with a robust suite of features. Built on the reinforced K1 platform, Syros ensures superior structural integrity for enhanced crash protection and stability. Equipped with ADAS Level 2, it offers 16 autonomous features, including forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, blind view monitor, and smart cruise control with stop and go. 20 standard robust high safety features, such as electronic stability control, hill start assist, 6 airbags, high beam assist, and driver attention warning. The Syros introduces an array of first-in-segment features that redefine the segment with convenience and comfort. The vehicle boasts 76.2 centimeter, that's 30 inches, Trinity panoramic display panel, providing an immersive and user-friendly interface that seamlessly integrates with a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access their favorite apps and media effortlessly. The Syros introduces features like Harman Kardon premium 8 speakers, sound system, smartphone wireless charger for enhanced experience. Remote window up-down is another unique feature that allows you to refresh the cabin remotely. Call center assisted navigation that provides reliable guidance wherever you go. Syros will come with Kia's first ever Smartstream turbo engine with 6-speed manual transmission configuration. From advanced infotainment systems to seamless climate control, Syros ensures that every drive is a pleasure, showcasing Kia's commitment to cutting-edge innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kia Syros is not just a car. It's a statement of innovation, style, and capability. Designed for urban explorers and adventure seekers alike, it redefines what an SUV can offer. With Syros, Kia takes yet another bold step forward, delivering a perfect blend of technology, safety, design, and comfort. I'm happy to announce that the bookings for Kia Syros commence on 3rd January 2025, and deliveries are being planned from early February 25. It's time now to experience a new species of SUV